front of me is Samsung Galaxy M23 and today I would like to show you how you can use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. All of your copied images and sentences will be here. To go back to standard keyboard, click at the top left corner. Now to use Clipboard, copy or cut any image or text. And to paste it instantly, tap on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, tap on Clipboard and click on it here. To pin one of your sentences or images, use pin icon at the top right corner, tap on the chosen one and hit done. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it though, use bin icon next to the pin one, click on your image on sentence and hit delete. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!